Hey, good morning, everyone. So, we are back to our last topic. I'm going to continue this from ad hoc project. Okay, so before that, so in classroom, one Naval Kushwa have raised the concern regarding. Let's see what is the concern and what I have pasted the solution for that. So hi team, I have updated the local host and Ansible inventory with the router IP and host name, but when I run the below command or next mint, I'm getting below it. What is the error? So here in the Ansible routers inventory raw modules and the attribute with the authentication. Okay, now understand the issue. So this is the device dot 20 dot 30 dot 10 and having using the SSH password instead of a key is not possible because host key checking enable. Okay, means first thing host key they are checking, first thing is enable, second they are telling SSH pass does not support this. Okay, please add this fingerprint your non-host file to manage this. So he tried to do that, but you can see last comments while he's doing this, after doing yes, the fail to add the host to the list of the known host. Can you see? It's a failed, right? It's a failed. Why he's trying? Then again he. Are you able to see that this is failing?
Yes, but actually, Ashu, what happened last time when we were doing this? I saw your screen that time also. We had the same error, but still we had the fingerprint input.
Yes, because I had the inventory stuff. So you share your screen quickly and
Uh,
let's do the solution for the first section of the part.
okay.
You share your screen.
Yeah, Ashu, I could share, but in fact, I'm joining this class via another laptop, and I do the lab in another laptop because this is the laptop which I'm having 32 GB RAM,
Okay,
so there
got
is
it.
no
So
issue with it.
quickly what you do, I'm going to show you same scenario. Have you open your automation?
Yes, yes, I
Okay,
did.
just open that. Everything is ready. Do you
Yes,
have
route.
uh,
Yes, I have opened the routers. Those are pingable running, and still I can see the same.
okay, so I'm same scenario I'm going to create over here and we'll try to resolve your issue. So I given your solution. That is the first solution. So and have you done the inventory?
Yes, in host entry, I mean the local inventory and the Ansible entry. In both these entries are there for
Okay,
host
quickly you
routers.
check your inventory. How do you check?
Cat etc host for local host and cat etc Ansible host for Ansible entry.
Okay, and that's Ansible and then host. Try to understand Jitendra Sagar. So you have inventory of this, right?
Yes.
Okay, this class. And then apart from that, we have local inventory that is, sorry, and that is also etc and hosts. So you have inventory of this. I
Yes.
okay, excellent. Now, if you have, can you try this? I'm doing, and your routers are on.
Yes. You're on, and I just try to ping. So those are
Are
also
you able
pingable.
to ping also, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, good. Now you do this and tell me what is the issue. Same way, sorry. And I have to share this. So IPR. You can change your authentication admin or whatsoever you have given. No need to give my. You can set your authentication. What I have done mistake over here? Anyone?
Before host, I guess you have right hyphen. Is it?
Ah, yes, excellent. Thank you.
I think I mean, you're doing show IPR, you might want to do routers instead.
Oh, router. Yes, first thing I have to do router. Okay, guys. Yes, this is goes to the router, and you have router inventory also.
Yes.
And
It has to
sorry,
be
this
router.
is raw module. Yeah, right. And then this. So IPR. Why it's not taking minus U? Okay. Yes.
So,
A space is there, guys. Any mistake you can see, it's going to generate the error. Okay, now I'm able to do, you are not able to do same issue you are finding, right?
1 minute. Let me. I'm just doing.
Try this quickly.
Yes, yes. One.
Same issue you are
So
finding as we are, you have given the answer over here on.
yes, yes,
Yes,
same.
same issue. So
Yes.
see what is the solution we have first. So I got your means is a fail to add. Your problem is this. He failed to add this on this non-host. So why not we will create the new non-host list. Okay. So how you will do? I given you solution here. Here yesterday I reply. So just follow. Go to the, you are in home directory. Go to the ssh directory and check LSL. You will see you have host name, known host. I'm going to move this host as a old because I want to preserve all the. Let me show you what I want to
Okay.
do. So first see here, then you do this solution. Okay,
Okay.
and don't become, because once you move you will lose those file. So what I'm going to do, why I'm doing, you try to understand. The error is on the known host file, so I have to work on the known host file. So right now I'm the home directory, home
Yes.
student. I will change my directory. That's tiddle and dot ssh will be my directory, next directory, and I'm on ssh directory. See, okay, once we are here, I will check my, what are the configuration do we have. We have this configuration, non-host. If you want to check this cat non-host, you are not able to read this many inventory and something returns some
Yes.
alien language. Okay, these are the non-host key entry as per. So what I will do, I will not delete this. I will use move command. I will use move command mv. What is command mv? Non-host. I want to move this as a non-host old. Non-host old. Whenever I need, I will bring this here. So I'm going to copy this and giving the
No,
renaming this. Okay.
because I have checked in my when I go to this SSH directory, I can see known host dot old. It's already old.
Okay, don't
No,
worry. If it's already old, that's why I'm not going to create any old one.
because known
Okay.
host is also there and
So
known host old both are
delete
there.
old one if you want to, and don't delete. You just create. There's a dot old. I given you underscore old. Okay.
Okay.
Dot old is created by the system. Okay.
Okay.
If you do multiple time these things.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
So I move this file. You can see there is no file name called known host. Okay, so you have to create new file, empty file, touch known host. Okay, so I have created touch known host. Now you can see LSL, you have known host with the empty file, and all the content moved to the known host old file. There is nothing content I can see in cat or more using the command known host, and there is no content. So please complete this. Uh,
Okay.
or others, have you understand what I have done? Jitendra, Sagar, and Nikhil, if any comments?
Yeah.
Yes, yes, we are doing on the same parallel.
No, you should not do. If you have this issue, then only you do. Actually, system will generate dot old file. Okay, once you go for the new fingerprint. But sometime dot old is generated and they will block you, they will lock you, they will not allow you to further to add fingerprint into the system. Naval, have you
Yes.
completed this?
Yes. Yes.
Have you
Done.
created new old empty?
Yes, it is there now.
Okay, very good. Now you try, come to PWD, come out
Let me
this
come.
um,
Yeah, CD. I come to the home directory now.
home directory, then you run that ansible command quickly.
Yes.
So let me run this ansible command routers e working.
For me, it says now using a SSH password instead of key is not possible because host key checking is enabled and SSH pass does not support this. Please add this host fingerprint to your known host file to manage this host.
Okay, ssh pass, have you disable ssh pass? Do you remember I have teach you how to disable?
Mm, yes, I know, but
Okay, go to the cat ansible,
etc Ansible.
sorry,
it is.
ansible etc ansible, and then you have ansible cfg file, and check the content you have disabled, that ssh host key connections. Check, open this. If you are not done, you have to enable. Do you remember I made you do that? Let me check where is it. Let me go to.
Ashubha, it would be easier if you go to editor, vi,
Okay,
and the
yes.
file name, and then search
Thank
for
you.
it.
Yes, so let me go to the editor, vi editor, vim editor, and then use sudo command. That will allow me. Then I have to give this backward arrow, right?
Yeah.
The host key, SSH key.
And then press N. You type key, enter, and keep on pressing N after that. So when you search for a key, so do that search again. So do backslash key, hit enter, and after hitting enter, if you want to see next one, just press N. Okay. So it basically just found two values with key. It might be SSH or something.
Yes. Are you able to do this?
I have just typed /key and just pressing N.
/key. Yes, host key checking false. Here. Are you able to check? No, just you press key, it will come and do the enter. Top. Or host key, you give the host key /host host name.
Well, easier would be host_key.
Yes, better. You can type this then. Are you able to see my screen is coming, showing you?
Yes.
Are you able to
Host key
do
check.
this?
Yes, I found host key checking now.
Yes, now you uncomment, make it false. Uncomment, you just do uncommenting.
So yeah, I just entering backspace, but it's not removing this.
No, you have to go in edit mode, insert mode. It's a searching way. This is the
Okay,
method by
I
which you searched.
okay, got it. Yes, I just press I and I
Yes,
remove
press
this.
I,
Yes, I uncomment this.
uncomment. Now you can check the color had changed from
Yes,
the, yeah, so
orange.
yes, orange. Now you can do the escape colon followed by the right W
Good.
Q
Yes.
exclamation. Okay, by doing this, done. Are you able to do this? Now you try for same.
Yes.
What is the output?
I'm getting the same. Might be it is not saved or what, but I'm getting the same.
No, you check, verify that quickly. Okay, so we will discuss offline now.
Okay, sure.
Don't worry. This is the one you have to create non-host. If you going to uncomment false this, so Ansible will not going to do strictly checks. First thing. Second thing, you have non-host. You can add in that. You first start adding the fingerprint. You add a fingerprint.
Mhm. Sure.
If you add fingerprint, it's going to work. Individually, you start adding the fingerprint because we have empty non-host. Can you do quickly? How are you going to do this? Just go and do the SSH ASU at the rate followed that 192.168.122.1020 what, so okay, I have already, because see, I did not get the error once it's done. Even I have created them. So thing is what you will get the first time once only you will see the permanently added the keyword. That's all. Okay, clear, guys.
Yes, Ashok, I think it's resolved now.
Now it's
Yeah.
resolved.
Yes,
Congratulations.
because
So you
yeah,
have to follow the only the two issue. Either you have
yeah,
to
I
remove
understand.
the parameter uncomment, and in the Ansible file, try to understand. And second, you have issue with the non-host file, so you have to make it empty. You bring it, and later on it's start working, you can delete those old file. But in production environment, in the real organization, don't do this. Okay, list,
I've
because there
just
is a lot of
mm,
inventory out there already fingerprint, otherwise everyone has to do. Okay, fine, come to, yeah, on the next topic. I'm going to continue in the same session that we have project. Okay, so okay, this session, let me stop this session over here. I'm going to start a new session with the, we're going to see that how to complete our project, talk through, and we will discuss hygiene, sanitize, health, and monitoring, because your VM going to be crash if you are not doing, you have limited. So I think no one has given the, today again I'm going to discuss, I will give the solution. You have to also work with the solution, and you have to bring better solution if you are able to do. I want to see, I mean, you can minimize the command. Let me see in the next class. Okay, see you in the next class. Bye bye.